Red color. Blue color. White color. I draw capital letter A. A for alligator. B for ball. C for cake. D for dog. E for eagle. F for frog. G for gorilla. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snail. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's paint. Brown color. A for apple. B for bike. C for cherry. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grass. Light green color. H for hat. I for ink. J for jelly. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. Blue color. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rainbow. for snail. T for tiger. U for unicorn. Yellow color, V for vase. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat. Learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.